Good afternoon. Markets have just closed here on the 4th of May, a Friday. Big day today for cotton. Pretty negative day today for grains. Stock market's having a big up day today. The news this morning, the unemployment figure number was the best we've had in quite a few years. That was taken as a very positive and helped the stock market. The cotton market just firmed up. It was very quiet. It was down earlier in the day. We started firming up. We got above a certain technical level on the charts, which would be 85. And then when we did that, we started seeing the buying pick up. Speculators started buying the market. And this thing ended up closing up 240 points on the July. Very big move up. I think it was a combination of speculative buying. As we went through technical levels, the volume jumped big as it did that. It also helped pull the December with it to a certain extent. December was up 96. But I think we also saw some mill buying. Mills always want to buy it on the dip. And, of course, the time is running out with cotton mills on this July cotton fixing prices. And there's a lot to fix. I think as we made new highs and moved up, this market, there might have been a little bit of panic coming into the mills. Now, there's a whole lot more. This was just the beginning of what might happen in these markets. What else have we got? Let's take a look at where we closed. July cotton up 240 at 86.90. The high made about 15 minutes before the close was 87.06. Now, the old resistance was on a closed basis at 85. When we saw we were going to get through that, there seemed to be a flood of buying coming into this market. So we went through that 85 level, traded all the way up to 87.06, a 206-point rally through that. Very positive. Where might this market go? Analysts here in the last week have been talking more and more about the possibility of July cotton getting to 90. I think it's got a chance to go higher than that. This market, cotton in general, has a tendency to go farther than any analyst thinks. It's the nature of the cotton market. So you can fill in your own number, but it's possible to see 92, 94. I think that's a definite possibility. December cotton up 96 at 80.55. July soybeans down 16.5. Bad day for soybeans at 10.36 3/4. A high of 10.52 3/4, and a low of 10.36 1/4. July corn down a penny and a half at 4.06 1/2. A high of 4.08 1/4, a low of 4.05 1/2. July wheat down 12 at 5.26, a high of 5.37 1/4, a low of 5.23 1/2. Looking at the outside markets again, crude oil had a big day, up $1.32. The dollar up 16, gold up $2 an ounce, silver up 6 cents an ounce, and the Dow Jones right now is up 356. So still got some time to trade there. That's it. Have a good weekend, and we will see you first thing Monday morning.